Welcome to the Drone Skill Builder course. I'm Alan, and I will be your instructor. I've been flying drones since 2014, which is the year I founded this company. And since then, our team has trained tens of thousands of drone pilots, both recreational and FAA certified drone pilots. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you are likely new to flying your drone. You are in the right place. We designed this course to address all the common questions we get from new drone pilots, but more importantly, to give you a structured way to improve your skills, to build your confidence, and to get the most out of your drone. You're going to learn a lot in this course, from things like airspace research and mission planning, to using the pre-programmed intelligent flight modes in your drone, to knowing how to handle different emergency situations. By the end of this course, you will feel more confident as a drone pilot. You'll learn how to fly your drone safely and intelligently. And what I mean by intelligently is that these drones pack a lot of punch when it comes to the flight software and sensors and what's available to you. So hopefully by the end of this course, you'll also feel more creative and inspired as you learn how to unlock the power of these small unmanned aerial systems. All right, that's it, folks. Short and sweet. Wishing you blue skies, safe flying. Thank you again, and hope you enjoy the following lessons.